Hi, this is Ann with Finance on the Offense, and today I'm going to tell you how to get 10 cheap or free things with your student ID or email. And if you want to help others see this video, just hit the like and subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm. All right, let's get started. First up is Amazon Prime. As a student, you can get 6 months of this for free. So that's free 2-day shipping on anything you order on Amazon, plus music and streaming. Now, this is a subscription service, so if you don't cancel it after the 6 months, you will be charged, but you still get a student rate. Second is YNAB. That's You Need a Budget. You can get a full year subscription of this with your student ID, and it helps you, well, budget your money. Now, when you go to the site and sign up, you'll need to sign up for the free 34-day trial, but then once you upload proof, basically, that you're a student, it'll get extended to the full year. If you decide to do this one, make sure you watch the YNAB tutorial videos because I've heard it's a little hard to understand unless you do that. It just takes some getting used to. Third is Microsoft Office 365. This is completely free for students, and it includes Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and all of those programs within the Microsoft suite. All you need is a valid school email address, and when you get this, you'll also get 1 terabyte of online space with OneDrive. Fourth is Spotify, Hulu, and Showtime. With Spotify, you can get your first month free, and then it's $4.99 after that. But here is the awesome thing. When you buy that, Showtime and Hulu are included. So you're basically getting those for free. Or you can think of it as getting each service for $1.67 each per month. You really can't beat that. To get this discount, you'll need to enter your .edu email address when you sign up. Fifth is Adobe Creative Cloud, and this one is also not free, but even if you're not a graphic designer or a photographer, it's still really great if you're in any kind of creative field. Creative Cloud includes Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Premiere, which is used for videos, and tons of other apps. The price for this one is $19.99 a month, which doesn't sound cheap, but when you compare it to the normal price of $52.99 per month, it's a pretty great deal. Number 6 on the list is Apple Music, and you can get this one for just $4.99 a month when you sign up with a .edu email account. Seventh is Skillshare. Skillshare is a site where you can go and learn anything creative, so they really focus on creative courses. If you want to learn photography, graphic design, or how to do watercolor, this is the site for you. With this site, you get a 1-month free trial, and honestly, it's open to everyone, not just students. I'm a teacher over on Skillshare, and my teacher link is in the description below if you want to sign up to get the free month. Eighth is LinkedIn Learning and Udemy, and both are free through your public library. Now, 2 things to know. Not every library offers these, and the other thing is you do not have to be a student to use them. With both, you can learn both business skills, creative skills. There are lots of different categories of classes that they offer, and they're totally free. Number 9 is Handshake. Handshake is a site that helps students find internships, which you're probably going to need before you graduate anyway. All you need to do is sign up with your EDU email address and then create a profile, and then you can start getting connected with employers who offer internships. Number 10 is fast food. So many fast food places offer student discounts. You should just make it part of your order to say, "Oh, and do you offer student discounts?" Burger King, Dunkin' Donuts, McDonald's, and Taco Bell will all give you 10% off your order if you're a student. All right, that's my list of 10 free or cheap things you can get by being a student. If you know of any others that I missed, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you next week with another Finance on the Offense video. Thank you.